Let's discuss the markets. Joining us to talk about the market today, Oliver Perscher from Bruderman Brothers and Jason Ware from Albion Financial Group. Jason, what were you expecting for gross margin?
We were expecting a little bit better. We were expecting a little bit better. Yeah, so we were expecting a little better than the street consensus. Like was mentioned, it was 67 and some change. 69 seems about right. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that we pegged that in our model because that's just not true. But what we did expect is for them to come in a little bit better than the street, just given the operating leverage that one of your other guests mentioned that we're going to see now in cloud as this continues to scale up. So not something that's terribly surprising and something that we celebrate as investors.
Jason, are they still behind AWS in terms of profitability with the cloud, though?
Yeah, they seem to be, and I think that's part and parcel of the fact that they're behind AWS in terms of market share, in terms of the customer base, in terms of, they're second to market. They're the number 2 established player in terms of revenue and market share. And as they continue to scale this up and get more wins, which we expect them to do, I think we'll see that profit margin continue to grow and look a little bit better in the coming quarters. But it's still impressive nonetheless. Both Amazon and Microsoft look really good in cloud right now.
Jason, are you surprised here? As Mike pointed out, really good quarter, but shares are only up about 1% here after hours. Surprising?
No, not surprising. I mean, we've seen this movie before. So with Microsoft, typically what happens is we get the print, and the print in this case was solid. I think they beat now this makes the 13th consecutive quarter that they've beat analyst expectations. But people really take a pause and hold their breath for the conference call that's going to start here in a little over an hour, and that's when we're going to get the next quarter's guidance. I think currently the street's expecting about 10% year-over-year earnings growth for the next quarter, which to us seems achievable. So we're going to wait for that guidance. We're going to see how the stock trades between now and then. But again, we're long-term investors in Microsoft, too. We've been there for years. Satya Nadella is doing a great job of turning this into a cloud services company. We think the stock, while the PE has been, has expanded, it's basically doubled under Satya Nadella. If you look at it compared to some of the other established secular growth players in software and cloud, you can actually make an argument that it's undervalued relative to that. Is it going to be a 40 PE? Probably not. But an earnings growth story for Microsoft going forward seems fair, and that's an attractive investment.
Oliver, Jason, and John, thank you all for joining us.
No, thank you. Thank you for having me.